Hello friends, thank you for stopping by. My name is Maria and welcome to another Christmas in July. But before I show you this easy and quick fake bake, I would like to mention that this video is in collaboration with 4 other talented creators in the fake bake community, hosted by Cindy from Peep Yall, Davida from Davida Lane Creates, Barbara from Crafting with Barbara, and Tammy from TW Handmade. With all of that being said, I hope you enjoy this video. I will be leaving a link of each of the ladies' channel in my description box underneath, so go check their videos out and let them know that Maria from Siempre Infinitos DIY sent you. I am not worried if it's not straight on either side. I will be covering each side with frosting. I noticed after I have pressed down too hard when rolling the clay, the red stripes extended too wide. So next time I will make the stripes thinner if I choose to roll out the clay. I have seen these fault line cakes on Pinterest and I love the illusion that it gives. They are designed to look like someone just ripped out the center of the cake, revealing the inside. So I wanted my cake to have that illusion, which is why I chose to make a gift box. After I rolled out the clay, I cut out 2 strips, each measuring 1 by 6. I wanted to give the ribbon the illusion that it's also been ripped off, so by using a baker's tool, a toothpick, or even a pair of scissors will help me do just that. And here it is all done. Well, my friends, we have come to the end of another fake bake video. Guys, don't forget to check out the other ladies' video in this Christmas in July collaboration. And also don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until the next time, stay safe, be kind, bye.